Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to repair Microsoft Store on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To repair Microsoft Store on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now scroll down. Here you will find Microsoft Store and click on three dot icon here and then click on advanced option. Scroll down again. Under reset you will find an option repair. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Click on repair and Microsoft Store repair is continuing. Now repair has been finished. If Microsoft Store is still not working, you can reset Microsoft Store, and remember the app data will be deleted if you reset your Microsoft Store app. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.